What we do here is go back.
Hey guys, we got the Trailstrike mirrors installed. Anyways, install was okay. Took me a while just to get the brackets kind of set up right. Sounds dumb, but these are the instructions. These are the instructions you get. They suck. The light that these put out, it's good, really good. So here is the box for the Trailstrike Dawn V1 UTV mirror set. Model number TS704. I wish they would tell you that there's a disconnect about 1.5 feet down the switch. I didn't even look at that when I was doing the wiring harness. I just took the switch apart and a bunch of parts came flying out of it. So anyways, check it out. Let me know what you guys think. Trailstrike. Woo! On the Can-Am.